Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys everything that's new in Santa's Stash, aka Santa's shop in Grow a Garden. So as you can see here, this is new. The candy cane is new. I think the summer kiwi is new. I don't know why I pronounced it like that. And the chamber stick is new. I don't think the Jingle Bells is new. I don't remember. I don't think it is. So there's three new items, which is one is a seed. I already purchased that. One is a pet and one is a gear, which I'm not quite sure what it does yet. I think you can like summon a weather, but I'm not completely sure. It's not in stock yet for me. Like I haven't seen it. Maybe it was in stock, but I didn't see it, so I could be wrong. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.